Your storefront comes with a default URL that you and your customers can use at any time. But you can also connect your own domain to provide a seamless experience for your customers. I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to connect your own domain to your storefront. Let's start on My Products. Scroll down to the reseller section, expand it, and then choose Manage. You're now on the Reseller Control Center. Select Settings, then select Company Info. Scroll down to the Storefront Domain Setup section. As you can see, it tells you that we provide a standard storefront that is always available and that it can be used in any combination with a custom site or on its own with our built-in customizable options. The standard storefront is always available at the default URL, which you can see in the Home URL section, but we recommend you set up your domain so customers know it's you. There are really two fields that you should understand for this process: standard storefront domain and the Home URL. The standard storefront domain is what customers will type in to find your storefront. So for example, coolexample.com. The Home URL field is what domain you want your visitors to go to when they click Home on your site. If your storefront is also your main website, then you'll enter the same domain in the Home URL field. If you already have an existing site using the domain coolexample.com, you should create a subdomain for the standard storefront, something like shop.coolexample.com, and then enter your main domain in the Home URL field. How you set this up is up to you. For this demo, I'm going to use the same domain in both the standard storefront and Home URL fields. If your domain is registered in the same account and using our name servers, don't select the box next to I manage my DNS. We'll automatically update the DNS for you. If you do check the box next to I manage my DNS, you'll need to update your domain's DNS CNAME point. Instructions for that can be found in GoDaddy's Help Center. For now, we're keeping it simple since we're using a domain that's in our account. When things are set up how you want them, click Save. It can take up to 48 hours for your DNS changes to take full effect. Once this is done, you can start sharing your URL. I'm Emily, thanks for watching.